Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, check on the altcoin, see what's going to happen. I still think we've got more of a sell-off down to 29k is possible, with the alts also coming down more. The stock market also dropping big today. There was a mini mudslide here. That's what took out the railway road. So I'm going to be in this Machu Picchu area for a few more days because the train to go out is been destroyed. It looked crazy. We're also going to look at a new project that's going to IDO tomorrow. It's called Everdome. And the reason I invested in this project, Everdome project, is because they're the guys that created MetaHero. And MetaHero did 500x from its IDO. And Everdome IDOs tomorrow. So I'm going to show you that as well. Make sure you smash up the thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button down there. Join my 67,000 subscribers. I'm already a multi-millionaire. Even more, and I'm here to kind of teach you what I'm doing, show you what I'm doing, show you my knowledge. I've been investing for more than now 19 years. I was doing technical analysis and trading on Forex markets, then the stock markets, then I started mining and trading crypto from mining in crypto in 2012 on Bitcoin. And I've had many I'm an entrepreneur, multiple businesses. I'm a venture capitalist. I've seed invested many projects and just sharing my knowledge every day, which you can learn and subscribe and join. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals, and again, the altcoin market, the whole market getting destroyed, not just the altcoin. Coinbase down 13.8%. Let's turn off Wi-Fi. Coinbase down 13.8%, or sorry, 12.6%. It bounced back. TrueFi down 14%. The market's just getting annihilated. Engine down 12%. Luna 11%. One 11%. Ethereum down 9%, 2,700. I think Ethereum got more to drop. If you exited all your big positions back in November 11th when they called the top, congratulations, because now you have cash to start buying the bottom. Do I think the bottom is in? No. Let's go into the daily. We check out Bitcoin first. This is the 2-year trend line. This is this blue line down here. It's a 2-year trend line, and it just broke. It just broke today. Let's zoom in and I'll show you. It broke the 2-year trend line today, everyone. So that's not good. Now it's got a place here of major support around this area at the 38k. You can see back here, back in beginning of 2021, big resistance and support. In May, June, July, a big resistance and support. In June, a big support. So this area here is a huge support line that we're sitting on right now. So I do expect a big bounce here. But with the general conditions of the stock market and the cryptocurrency markets, I think we can have one big drop more down to 29k. And at 29k, that's where I'm going to be buying a lot, at support 2. We're sitting on support 1 right now. And that's why technical analysis is amazing. I've been warning people about this potential death cross that occurred a few days ago. And the death cross is playing out. Death cross, obviously based off its name, is not a good sign, and that's exactly what happened here. The death cross occurred on the 13th of January. The death cross crossed, meaning the 200-day and 50-day moving averages crossed, which is not a good bullish sign. EMA ribbons, we're way below the EMA ribbons, dropping quite strongly today. Big drop. Moving average cross is crossing and heading down, so still indicating more downside. VPVR shows we have big supports around this area. We have a really big support here, 37,000, but the biggest is actually at 35,000. So expect a very big bounce off 35,000 if we get down there. A lot of bearish signs right now. We also had this big head and shoulder that I was kind of shocked it didn't break down. Shoulder, head, shoulder pattern breakdown to the 29k, but we actually got that breakdown today, finally, in a way. Not good because it pulls down the whole markets, but it did have to happen. A lot of volume coming in. Stochastic, very oversold. Let's check out some of the other indicators. We've got stochastic oversold, but still heading down. Squeeze mob is going extremely more to the red down. Money flow index. Money flow is still not that much flowing into Bitcoin right now. So that's showing me that we can have more dropping. It's not flooding into Bitcoin and buying it up down here. People are also expecting this 29k area. And that's kind of scary, actually, because if a lot of people are expecting this 35 and 29k area, that means it could actually form more. On the 4-hourly, stochastic very oversold. It's trying to hold here. I do expect that we will get a big bounce because this is at major support. A lot of volume coming in. On the hourly, also oversold, turning to head up. A lot of support here. It's doing a double bottom right now. If it can bounce here, it could be a point that starts to reverse. But I think we're going to have a dead cat bounce and then fall back down even further. 35k will be the next stop. But if you're not a trader, this is actually the point to be accumulating Bitcoin. If you're not a day trader, this area right now, if you were buying Bitcoin at $69,000 dollar cost averaging, meaning buying every month, buying it right now at 38,000 is actually a nice thing to be doing, right? What I'm going to do, I buy Bitcoin daily. So I acquire almost $1,000 a day of Bitcoin minimum, of Ethereum. So these areas right now are good for dollar cost averaging. Do I think it's the bottom? No, I think we can drop down more. Now let's jump into some to Everdome. It's going to launch tomorrow. I'm going to show you this project. So this is Everdome. And Everdome is a project created by MetaTrader 4, the guys who created MetaHero, sorry. MetaHero did 500x. So Everdome is a MetaHero, it's using MetaHero tech, and what they're doing is they're kind of building systems that make a metaverse that MetaHero characters and MetaHero will be integrating with Everdome. This IDO is tomorrow. So Everdome is going to be a big one. And the reason I invested in Everdome is, one, they're backed by huge people. Really, the maximum allocation I could get to invest in Everdome was $4,000. They only let me, a venture capitalist, and I'm a pretty big venture capitalist in the crypto space, they only let me invest $4,000 into Everdome. And the reason they only let me invest $4,000 is because I have a big network, I have a lot of experience, I've launched projects, and I'm a big venture capitalist, and I have media influence. And they only let me invest $4,000. So that's telling you how in demand this project is, even with these current market conditions. Normally you can get, as a big venture capitalist, I can get whatever allocation I want. I can invest millions in projects. They only let me invest $4,000. The reason they have so much clout is because they released MetaHero, which did 500x. So because they did that, people know that if they invest in Everdome, most likely they're going to do well because they already proved that they can create a big project before. So if you go to everdome.io, that's where you can get involved. You can learn everything that's coming out. This is some of their kind of information about MetaHero and Everdome. They're joining together to create this. It's the same creators. They're creating a spherical chamber that can record people and put them into the metaverse, and they're making a metaverse. This is the tokenomics of the project. Total supply will be 100 billion tokens, so a huge project. 15% is going to the team, 20% exchanges, listings, and liquidity, and just much company reserves, 3% marketing. You can see their tokenomics down there, and it's pretty good tokenomics, and they just have so much demand. This is their roadmap, what they're building. So in quarter 2022, quarter 2, they're building a web portal, expanding the team, real estate market platform with land sales, website version 2, Everdome and Connect NFT collection. They just got a lot of things in their pipeline to build. So very interesting project. You can also follow them on Twitter, and you can go to everdome.io on Twitter. This is their Twitter, Everdome_IO, the most ambitious Metaverse 3.0 project crypto has ever seen, partnered with MetaHero. Everdome will be launching, I believe it's tomorrow, will be on a tier 1 exchange, a centralized exchange. That means they're launching on one of the biggest exchanges on their first exchange. Tier 1 means like Binance, Bybit, these very big exchanges. So tomorrow, I think it's tomorrow, 3 days away, tomorrow, the announcement. You can go to metahero.io to follow the news, or follow them on everdome.io. And this is going to be a big one, so pay attention to this, everyone. Everdome.io is launching tomorrow. On Bybit, I'm mainly in USDT. I've got in Bybit right now on this account 2.56 Bitcoin, $98,000 USD, nearly all in USD, $82,000 in USD. I've got some cake down 10%. I bought it earlier today on the big drop. It's $11,000 of cake. I will buy up cake when we come down to a bottom. Castor getting hit hard, 17%, $1,600 of Castor. I actually have $1 million of Castor, so I had a pretty big drop on my investment in Castor, but long term, I'm extremely bullish Castor. If you want to trade and do everything you're seeing me do, these are the links down below underneath this video. On your phone, smash up this thumbs up button. Smash up this thumbs up button so you can, let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe, join my 67,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my live trades. And the Bybit Bitcoin trading Bybit link, this link down below, if you sign up and use Bybit, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit, when you deposit Bitcoin. And I use Bybit a lot, and Bybit is my favorite exchange. Now, when you sign up to this using this link down below on your phone in the description pin comment, you join my trading team on Bybit, and I get a little bit of commissions every time you make a successful trade. I don't get commissions or anything if you get liquidated. If you join my trading team, my goal is to have the best trading team in the world that makes the most money and ranks first on Bybit. So that's why I make these videos as well. I got a Bybit Bitcoin trading tutorial that teaches you how to do this, and you can take the cryptocurrency master course with my 6,000 students now taking my course. That was a lot of information. Let's check out what I've got here. This is what people think it's like to hodl to Bitcoin, a slow, just slight, like nice climbing trend line, what it's actually like to hodl. And now if you've gone through this kind of bear market that we've been in, you've gone through the fire already. If you've been in 2017, you know how bad it can actually get. I will be a millionaire soon. I will it into existence. Thanks, brother, for helping me in mindset. Beautiful crypto train. Amazing video. Love the recap summary towards the end. Another great video. You're a humble guy. Thank you. I love your videos every day. I'm just waiting for them. MCRT, they're doing there's 1 million MCRT up for grabs on MEXC exchange, a hold and earn event. You're amazing. Keep it up. We need you and your energy. Altcoins doing their thing and Bitcoin crashing in, and that's exactly what happened today, unfortunately. So that was a lot of information very quickly. I still think Bitcoin can fall more. I still think the altcoins can come down more, but I am starting to enter positions here because I think even at these prices, even if it can come down more, I'm starting to enter, but slowly, because what happened in the stock markets is showing me a lot of weakness overall in the markets. I've also been buying Coinbase, and you can follow my live trades down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Smash up this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. If you lost a lot, or if you're having a bad time, or just don't think about what losses. You need to move forward and kind of do your best to get more capital. This market is only beginning. We reached $3 trillion market. Now it's sitting at 1.7 trillion. Stock markets are $100 trillion market. This market is only beginning, so do not be discouraged. Move forward. Don't think about your losses. Get more capital. Do more, make more, get more jobs, build more businesses, get more capital to invest in markets. Thank you for watching. This is James from Stock Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.